Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to reset your APN. So first things first, you go to settings and then you go to sim network right there. Oops. Click that. And then you go to access points and you click here and you go reset the defaults. And that's about it. You're also gonna do a phone restart if you like, and hopefully your downloads gets faster. So that's how you fix your downloads. So I'm gonna do like a speed test. I'm on my Wi-Fi, so it should be a little bit faster, but I don't know why it's so slow. See how it goes. 17 ping. It's really throttling. Should be on like 100. That's really slow. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Peace.